Okay, so at home we got the guitar like this. We're going to set it on our leg like that. And then we're going to take our thumb and then we're going to count to 4 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see, I'm using the biggest string we got. That string's name is E. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm using my thumb. Got my fingers down here just to rest my fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I come to the next string. That string's name is A. 1, 2, 3, 4. I come to the next string. That one's D. Okay, I'm coming to the next string. That one is G. Okay, I'm going to come to the next one. That one's B. And then the last one is high E. Now we're going to remember that by going like this. Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, bye, Eddie. And then I take my thumb and I push across all the strings. String mute, yeah. Okay, at home we're going to play each string 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next string. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using my thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each string 4 times. Give it a try.